Car. This is where my finish line is. There you go. For test, you're done. Tapos na. Lalpasan kita right tayo. A little short of 12 miles, but we're good to go. We've done our share for those who can't run.